I have the Hisense VIDAA Smart TV, and I'll be showing you how to use your smart TV as a Bluetooth speaker. So maybe you want to play some music from your phone, but you don't have a Bluetooth speaker. You can actually use your TV as a Bluetooth speaker. So to do that, go to the home page of your smart TV. You can do that by pressing the home button on your remote, and then go to the top there and select settings. Under settings, go down to connection, and under connection, go to Bluetooth, select that, and then scroll down to Bluetooth speaker and select that. Now it says TV Bluetooth speaker, output your mobile phone's music via the TV. So right now the TV is in Bluetooth pairing mode, just like you would put a speaker in Bluetooth pairing mode. And what you want to do is now go to your phone and go to the Bluetooth settings of your phone. So let me go here to the Bluetooth settings, and it's currently searching for a device to pair with. So we're basically looking for Studio TV as a Bluetooth device. There you go. So I've renamed my TV to Studio TV, and there it is. So I'll just connect to it. There you go. There's a pin, and I'll just tap on pair. Okay, so just confirm the code is the same, and then tap on pair, and then also confirm on the TV. And now we are connected. So now I can go into my phone and play some music. Let me just find a song to play. And you can hear it's now playing on, you can see actually, you can't hear because my volume is all the way down. So if I increase the volume, you can hear the music from my TV. If I want to, I can leave this graphic playing, or I can turn the screen off. And as you can hear, there you go. So basically using my Hisense VIDAA Smart TV as a Bluetooth speaker. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.